omumushomo gwa BRS ogu gubire gwetabirwemo abakugo mu by'obuhingi n'oburisa okorwa mu za sako zitari zimwe na zimwe omunsi yona kandi gumazire biro bitano omurembo rwa Mbarara.
Icyango kiturebire kirimo shanyire ngo omubiyo kuhingana no kurisa amunonga amahanga g'abajungu nka Belgium ago gatiro tandukizika konka mu mahanga ga Afrika ntwenda kushana shana ito kitushangiye tubakizaho tushangire kandi ito nka ebo twatiraho rutamina munongo mbinkora ya digito.
Aba baganira nshonga nyingi ezikwatirine nebyo bihingi n'oburisa kandi bashangire ngo abahingi nebetaga kugumana bahebwa sente zo bwire buringwa kandi zitariho magoba mingi ngo abo kubentasa yabo ne ya seasons.
The other one is a participatory, making participatory because we can't just manage everything at that distance. So that if it is participatory, there's a feeling of honorability will come so that the service will easily managed.
What MFIs should be able to adopt is to make sure that they innovate and pilot new products that are specifically going to support the youth. That's the only way we can see that we have a sustainable future in terms of financial inclusion.
It's excellent to live with the discipline of following a policy, and definitely we encourage people to develop a policy and to execute it.
Abajungu basimira abahingi n'abariso muri Mbarara hamwe na Ebo Sako okubatayisa.
Make sure this information disseminated to our officers because we need to grow, and there were very many innovations that we want to communicate.
We cannot take it for granted that you should have come, but your coming here made our dream come true. So thank you.
Belgium Refashion Foundation ninga BRS n'ekitongore mpabuhwezi okorwa mu ihanga rya Belgium kandi nikikwatira abahingi n'abarisa okurabira mu za sakozi. Omugandi makuru obwa hatembibo za Narobin 1, Narobin 2, Narobin 3, Narobin 6 hamwe na Narobin 7 nizo mbibo z'abahingi batungire kandi zirimo ekirisa cha zinc na iron kandi niziza kwejunisibwa nk'icyo kureberaho cy'abandi bahingi. Ebimanyirwo bw'abanaro babire nibegesa abahingi omuraka hunje ka mwenje
ndebire ngu empinga eyanaro nembibo yanaro twagumeza mu tukahinga nkenyegesa iba kutwegesa amazima Uganda obworo ne buhwamu
twarahingaga tugahinga ariko kubwo guhinga tutazi uko barabihinga.
ababegesi bwa kukume mbibo z'omurembe.
The last activity of a project that Naro has been implementing in partnership with Rwanda, the Rwandan sister of Naro. So this project started 3 years ago, and the first thing we did was to do a baseline study.
That we are implementing is about promotion of biofortified beans, their management practices, and post-harvest handling.
Aboko abahinji batwire barahinga shonka bamaraga hinjire ibyo batabangize batino mu kugura basa kubahabura.
Aba bakwasa abahinje bikoze so byo kwejunisa omukureberera amasharura gabo. Abwa TV West nde Evans Taremwa na Ansona Twini.